You ever seen beggar asking money from you or from your friends or anybody else? You must have seen that, right? And let me tell you very interesting thing today. It might make you shock up. Beggars have no choices in their lives. So that's why it is so very important to understand to all of us is that if we do not make our choices better today, our condition or our situation would be just like that beggar only, because whatever would be given to us, we would just have one choice, and that choice would be just taking that. So why not to work upon on ourselves from right now, from today, so that whatever kind of choices we want, that can be served to us, that can be given to us. But for all those to happen, we will have to make our choices in wise manner, in better manner. We will have to think twice whatever we are doing, because these all the combination of all of these things actually make us better. And let me tell you one more thing today, which is going to be so much impactful in your life if you implement this thing. Have you ever seen anybody who is just doing something and he just keeps on doing that thing without knowing even reason that what is outcome of this thing that I am doing? People go to park, people go to anywhere, people go to dance class, or people go to anywhere, but they never think that our human mind is always has been conditioned in this thought that it always works upon on the principle of survival mode. So if you want to do something, first of all you need to understand whatever you are doing. First of all, you have to think that what is going to be outcome of this thing, this particular thing that I am going to do. Let me give you an example which will make a bit easier. Okay, let me give you. Suppose that I am going somewhere. Suppose that I am going in any kind of park. Suppose that if I go unnecessarily park, so don't you think that it will just waste my time? But if I go to make video like this, or if I go to with a friend who can give me a lot of knowledge, who can support me, or who can tell me the things which I don't know, don't you think that now my time is getting invested? So this is the difference between making choice. This is the difference between whatever you do by thinking it, by thinking you're good, then only we go ahead. Otherwise the probability of our going ahead in life would always be lesser. So why not to do this thing? Whatever you do, think that what is going to be outcome. Is it going to be beneficial for me or not? Think. You are the only one who will think. Otherwise nobody is going to think about your life. Nobody means nobody. You have to think this. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me. Good day. Bye bye.